One day he was very hungry. He went out to the market of the food. After a while, he found a bone. Oh, look, a bone. Today is my lucky day. Robbie was excited to dip on his bone in a quiet pot. So he decided to go to the forest to close the liver. He had more in his mouth. Once I close this plate, I will sit down and dip on my bone. While closing the plate, he saw his own reflection in the water. And it stopped to look down. Who is this dog? And he ever had a bone in his mouth. I want that bone too. So he was a greedy dog. He opened his mouth. He want both the bones. So he opened his mouth. His bone fell into the water.
Give me your bone.
Give me your bone. His bone fell into the water. He was very sad. So he realized his mistake. He was very sad.
Oh no.
Oh no, my bone fell into the water.
I don't have
any bone.
I should not to be.
I should not to be greedy.
Thank you.